Usekela mongameli weli umnumzana David Mabuza uthi ingagaleleka naninina intsholongwane icorona ezilalini kwaye uthi ukumiswa ngxi kwazo zonke iintshukumo kweli linyathelo elilungileyo ukunqanda ukunwenwa kwalentsholongwane. OkaMabuza ukuthethe kwintlanganiso neenkokheli zomthonyama kwindlu yendwendwe kamongameli ngalentsasa. Kule ntlanganiso kuvunyelwene ukuba imingcwabo kuphela ezakuqhubeka ezilalini yaye ezinye iindibano azivumelekanga.
Iphini likamongameli lithi uhulumeni unokwesabela ukuthi leli gciwane lizobhephetheka lize lifinyelele ezindaweni zasemakhaya. Iphini likamongameli lithi ke ukuvalwa thaqa kwezwe phecelezi i-lockdown kuzosiza ekutheni kunqandwe ukuthelekela kwabantu ngalomashaye ebhuqa kakhulukazi kulowo mphakathi kodwa imbuya ngothi.
It is only a matter of time before this pandemic reaches our rural areas where our traditional leaders live. It's a matter of time. And if not prevented now, the time is now to prevent further spread.
Iphini likamongameli libonakala livuma ukuthi amanye amazwe yahlulekile ukuze namasu aphusile ukuvikela ukubhebhetheka kwaleli gciwane.
The global response has largely been reactive instead of being proactive.
Abaholi bezomdabu sebenxuse ukuthi lemiyalezo kahulumeni ngalomashaye ebhuqa ifinyelele nasezindaweni zasemakhaya.
We made suggestions as a contralesa to say, wherever possible, let offices of traditional leaders be used as information centers, be used as distribution centers. And if that's possible, we are committing ourselves that as Amakosi, we're going to play our role in making sure that this scourge is avoided at all costs.
Uhulumeni uthi abaholi bezomdabu bakhala ngezidingo nqangi umphakathi ohlala ezindaweni zasemakhaya obhekene nazo okusifaka ezinye kwazo izinkinga ezibhekene nomphakathi ukuthi amanzi awekho nezidingo nqangi zokuzihlenza. Ngusamkelo Maseko ezindabeni ze-SABC ePitoli.